Racing just started, looking for a blistering speed at the start of the race, and there's the speed I'm talking about, courtesy of yes, Leona Lolita, Dream Lover, right on the outside, Cuckoo, Paloma, Iona, then in between horses, Mia Static, Alak Dennis running by, the Rail Dramatis Persona, Angel Brule comes next, Bullstar Rising second last, while Zeni Sebiorum is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader inside the Tres Octavo. We have the Quick is striding yes on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 5 lengths lead. Leona Lolita in second, Dream Lover comes next, Mia Static, Angel Brule now moving upon the outside, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have yes is still in control by about 6 lengths. Leona Lolita remains in second, Dream Lover, Angel Brule is on the outside, and comes Bullstar Rising with about 100 meters of the race. It's all yes as the curtain closes. Second is Bullstar Rising, Dream Lover, then comes Angel Brule, Alakdan, close with Zeni Sebiorum for your Super 6.
Okay.